why we followers, we like saga. We like saga so much that we will post a video how to make it in life, or how to cook so and so food. You will not, anybody will not watch. If you go to my channel now, the views I have is not much because I'm not doing saga. Those people that you see they have views, they go to other people's channel, they do subscribe me, I subscribe you. That's how you see they have views. If you are not doing saga in this YouTube, I've noticed it, except you are a big YouTuber, we that are just upcoming, if you are not doing saga, you will not have view. But if you just see any title, they just write, my message to Nele Okeke, or Nele Okeke is a bad person, or my message to Dana Ekweme, or Dana Ekweme, why will you do this? You will see it before 10 minutes of posting that video. You will get up to 500 views, if not more than. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. As you can see, I'm doing absolutely great. I want to say a very big thank you to my old subscribers. Thank you so much guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you all. And to my new subscribers, those that just joined the family, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate you all, the old and new subscribers. I love you guys and I appreciate all you do. Thank you so much guys. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, you are just watching this video, as you are watching, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you will always be notified about my new videos. And don't forget to like the video as well, and then leave a comment in the comment section below. So guys, as you can see in the title of this video, I don't need to do much introduction anymore. We are going to be talking about the settlement that Wode did between Dana Ekweme and then Nele Okeke. First of all, I want to be saying a very big thank you to Wode. He did a very great job. I really appreciate what he did. As in, I never expected this to come from him. But in all, I want to say thank you to Wode. You are a genius. You are a good person. Because I've been expecting this for long from people around them to do this, but it never came. Because I sensed it that they had quarrel for a very long time. The thing started, I started sensing it when Nele Okeke gave birth to a child, a baby, Ada. So from there, I started sensing it. Because some people were leaving comments like, when Dana Ekweme was pregnant, Nele Okeke and Adeze and the rest of them, they did the baby shower for her. Now that Nele Okeke put to bed, and Dana Ekweme did not come to visit her. So I was sensing something. I was sensing that something was going on. But later on, Dana Ekweme went to visit Nele Okeke with her husband, and then I said, I don't think anything is going on between them. Maybe it's just one of those comments that people don't leave. So I just let it go. But after some time, I started sensing it that I started saying there were no more collabo between them, no more collaboration. It was just Nele Okeke and Adeze. Dana Ekweme was no longer in the picture. Everybody was just on their own. Then I was surprised. But I was trying to figure out what caused their quarrel. Up to today, nobody knows what caused their quarrel. Everybody will be saying it that nobody knows what brought about their quarrel. And I think the only person that will know is Adeze, because she's very close to Nele. But for other people, I don't think the rest of us will know what happened. We knew what happened to them. So since then, I've been expecting people around them to call them to order, to call them to settle them, to talk to them, but nobody did. And this thing, like Adeze said, and I know, because we the followers, we are the problem. Just like Davido and Wizkid. Davido, I watched an interview when what's this guy? What's it called? Maduka, yes, is it Ebuka? Yes, when Ebuka interviewed Davido, he said he did not have any problem with Wizkid. He has never had any fight with Wizkid face to face or one-on-one. He said that all the problem that they have is caused by we the followers, the fans. We the fans, we are the problem. I'm sorry to say this, but this is the truth. We the fans are the problem. Especially the comments that will leave. Some will go to Nele Okeke's channel. They will say, Nele, I like you, I love you. Unlike Dana, I don't like Dana Ekweme. I don't like what she's doing. She talks too much, she do this. They will go to Dana Ekweme's channel. Some of them will still go there and say, Dana Ekweme, I like you, I like your channel. I don't like Nele Okeke. Keep it to yourself. Whether you like this, why are we causing problem between people? Why are we the fans? Why are we so used to this? We are so fond of causing problem between people just for no reason. And these people, sometimes even some of them, they don't even know each other, especially in YouTube. On YouTube, many of them, they don't know each other. We don't know each other. We just see each other through the videos that they upload, and then we became friends just like that. But we've not seen ourselves face to face. There's a lot of people like that, but the fans will just cause that problem. Okay, is it that when we not see that person face to face, then that quarrel will still continue? I don't know why they just like causing problem. Why are we fans? I'm not excluded because I'm their fan as well. I'm their follower. I'm one of their followers, so I'm not excluded. Why do we like causing problem between two people? When we see people going, their relationship is going smoothly, we just try to enter in between them and then scatter it. Because I know that we, the fans, we are the problem. We are the one causing all the problem. We are the one causing all the quarrel. Because for me, I know that Nelo Okeke and Dana Ekweme, they though I'm not there, but for me, I'm sure they never exchanged words. They never quarreled like face me, face you quarrel. All the quarrels, all the things that, all the problems have been from comments, from those that are calling, maybe those that are DM, that do DM, maybe send them direct message. I know that the problem is coming from those people. That the problem is coming from that place. Because me, I know. Because sometimes when I watch almost all of them, I follow them. I follow Dana Ekweme. I started following Nelo Okeke from Dana Ekweme's channel. So after they did that baby shower or so then I asked every dynamite to go and follow Nelo Okeke. So that's how I got to know about Nelo Okeke. I went to her channel. I subscribed. I left a message saying that I came from Dana Ekweme's channel and all that. So that's how I started following Nelo Okeke, Adeze Space, and some of them that I started following. I watch a lot of YouTubers. That's where I got my inspiration from. I started watching them and I said, maybe I can do something like this. Even if I cannot do exactly what they are doing, but I can try. So that's how I started my own YouTube channel. I started I'm watching all of them. Fantastic Favor, Abi and Family, Dana Ekweme, Nelo Okeke, Adeze Space. I watched a lot of them. I do watch their video, even Better with NJ, Editorial, all of them. I watch their video. Once I get the notification, I'm running there to watch their video. So whenever I'm watching the video, although most times I don't leave a comment, I don't comment, but I must make sure I look at all the comments in the videos. And sometimes you see their videos, some discouraging comments. There was a time that somebody was saying that Fantastic Favor does not know how to speak correct English. Is that what? If you know how to, where you that have been speaking English, where has that English taking you to? Some will say you are better than this. Oh, what's the meaning of all that? Because if those people are not, if we are not leaving those comments there, those people will not, they will not have negative thought about each other. It is the comment that will leave that negative thought in their mind that makes them him or her to start beefing the other person because of the comment. And I don't know why we followers, we like saga. We like saga so much that we will post a video how to make it in life or how to cook so and so food. You will not, anybody will not watch. If you go to my channel now, the views I have is not much because I'm not doing saga. Those people that you see they have views, they go to other people's channel, they do subscribe me, I subscribe you. That's how you see they have views. If you are not doing saga in this YouTube, I've noticed it, except you are a big YouTuber, we that are just upcoming. If you are not doing saga, you will not have view. But if you just see any title, they just write my message to Nelo Okeke, or Nelo Okeke is a bad person, or my message to Dana Ekweme, or Dana Ekweme, why will you do this? You will see it before 10 minutes of posting that video, you get up to 500 views, if not more than. Why? Because they see it's a saga video. But if you post a normal video, how to cook, how to do this one inspirational video, and all those other good videos, they will not watch. That's why you see a lot of people in YouTube today, they do all those things just to get views. Like what the Maya said, that they are not using Nelo Okeke and Dana Ekweme to get views because they've realized that if you post other video, people will not watch. But when you just post, just say, Nelo Okeke is a wicked person, or Daniel Kwame is a wicked person, or Fantastic People, you will just see they will run there immediately. They see that notification, they will run there immediately to go and watch that video because of the title of the or either the title or the thumbnail of the video. That's what will make them to go and watch the video. But if you put other videos, they will not watch. People will not watch your videos. I've noticed it, and this is what is causing the problem. Because we the followers, we like saga, we like problem, we like where there is quarreling. There's nothing like peace in this world. Because if you are quarreling with somebody, like NJ said, banter with NJ said, that thing, it really touched me when she said that word, that she liked watching Daniel Kwame. But whenever she watched the video, she finds it difficult to leave a comment for Daniel Kwame because she don't know if her sister, which is Nelo KK, because they are sisters, she don't know if she will be angry if she sees that video. So that's why she cannot leave a comment for Daniel Kwame whenever she watches the video. That's very bad. Yeah? We just create enmities between people that are living fine, people that are living peacefully. We just, because of our words of our mouth, because of what we write with our hand, we just cause quarrel between them. It's very, very bad. Like Fantastic Favor said. Fantastic Favor said that anybody is free to do this master class, because then when they were doing this master class, people started doing all sorts of videos, started leaving sort of comments, and because Daniel Kwame saw that Nelo and Adeze's face, they are doing a master class. Now Daniel also want to do a master class. What's the problem? Like they said, the sky is so big for everybody to fly, for all pairs to fly, for everybody. The YouTube is so big for everybody. Your channel is your channel. Your video is your video. So if everybody choose to do a master class, like Fantastic Favor said, provided you have something to offer, provided you have a good thing, you can teach in that master class, and whenever people attend the master class, they have something to take home, or you that is doing the master class, you have something to offer. That's the most important thing. They started doing all sorts of videos, started leaving such enough comments, as in, I was like, even then I was posting some in a Instagram story, even Nelo KK leaving, they were posting them, all the comments that people were leaving. What are we trying to achieve in all this? What is our gain? Causing problem between people. What is our gain? These people, you don't even know them. You like them, you subscribe to their channel, you started watching their videos. So why cause problem between them? If you like Nelo KK, fine. If you like Daniel Kwame, fine. If you like Daniel, you don't like Nelo, it's fine, but you keep it to yourself. If you like Nelo KK, you don't like Daniel Kwame, keep it to yourself. If you like Fantastic Favor, you don't like Abby and family, or you don't like Adeze, keep it to yourself. Let it be between you. If you don't like the person, what me I see, for me, what I know, if you don't like somebody, don't watch the video. They keep saying I don't like this one, I don't like this one, but whenever they post their video, you be the first to run there and watch the video. You be the first person to run there. So if you don't like the person, why watch the person's video? For me, people, if I don't like the person, or I don't like what the person is doing on YouTube, I don't watch the video. But those people that I love, whatever they post, I like it because I love watching their videos. So even if they post, they just sit down and started playing, or they are just playing around or walking around, they post the video, I will still like it, I'll leave a like there. But most I don't leave comments, but I make sure I watch all the videos. I watch everybody's video that I like, people that I like, I watch their videos. If you don't like the person, then don't watch the video. Why leave it? Why go in there, watch the video, and then you start insulting the person? Why do you post this? If you don't have anything to do, please please stay at home. Please stop doing video. If you don't have anything to offer, please leave YouTube. What's your problem? If it's easy, why won't you do a video? Why won't you be a YouTuber also? Sitting in front of camera and doing video is not easy. If you think it's easy, I knew as I came to find out when I started doing videos, when I started doing YouTube. Before I would just say, I beg you, I can do it. But when I started my own, that's when I knew that it's not easy for you to face camera. It's like you are seeing the people you are talking to face to face. It's not easy to create content, to do a video and post for everybody to watch, for the whole world to watch, because people are watching from different parts of the world. It's not easy to create video, no matter what you are doing. Even if you are just standing in front of camera and you are playing, for you to stand in front of that camera doing that thing alone, it's not easy. Not everybody had that courage. Not everybody had the mind to do it. Because me, when I started, I was so shy. It's now I'm trying to catch up a little. When I started doing it, I was telling someone, I said, these people, they are trying, no. Before now, I thought it's very, very easy. But they are trying. It's not easy for you to create a video, for you to make a video. Even if you got the video from another person, as in you are copying what that person is doing, it's still not easy for you facing the camera. It's not easy. I must tell you, it's not easy at all. So please, let's try to encourage these people. Try to encourage people. Don't discourage them. Don't cause quarrel between them. Don't go to their videos and start leaving hate comments. It's not good. What you cannot do, if you see other people doing it, give them the accolade. As in, praise them. Tell them how you are trying. Not even if you know that you cannot do that thing, you will still be saying, what is she doing? She's not even doing anything. She's just doing rubbish. And when you know that within you cannot do that thing. It's not easy. YouTube is not easy. So please, I'm not excluded. I've said it before. Let us all try to encourage these people. Instead of causing problem between them, let us try and encourage them. Try and love them. If you are, as far as you are watching that video, you are watching that person, you are subscribed to that channel, encourage that person in your own little way. They are not asking you for money. They are not asking you to pay them. The only thing they ask you is, please subscribe. Please watch my video. Please like the video. That's the only thing we beg. That's the only thing they do. They ask from us. So that's the only little contribution we have to give to them. We are not paying them. Somehow you just sit in front of camera, start creating videos, start doing video, making video and post on YouTube, and you go there, you sit and you watch. We are not paying. I know we subscribe, we use our subscription, but for them to entertain us, it's not easy. So our only little way of contributing to them is subscription, leaving a good comment, an encouraging comment, a very good comment that they will see and they will want to do more. Not you discouraging that person, telling the person you don't know how to speak English, your accent is not good, you don't even know how to do anything, your video is not good. No. Let's stop all those things. Let's stop causing problem between two other YouTubers. Let's stop causing those problems. It's not good. It's not good. Saga is not good. Peace is paramount. Peace is very, very good. Where there is peace, you have rest of mind. But if there is no peace, it's not good. Your mind, whenever you see that person, your mind will be beaten. So please, let's try and encourage them, because since then, everybody, there are other YouTubers that are friends with Nelo, Okeke, and Dana Ekweme. Nobody tried to make peace between them, because they will not say that they don't know that those people they are quarreling or they are not playing. Although they did not quarrel, but they are not in good terms. Nobody even tried or make an attempt to even settle them. But now that Wodemaya have settled them, made peace, I was so happy when I saw them arguing themselves. Even when Wodemaya was doing the video, he said he's afraid, his mind is beating because of the art. He does not know the outcome, what will be the outcome of the video. But I thank God everything ended well. They made peace, they hugged each other. I was very, very happy when they hugged each other. Wow. I was so happy when Dana Ekweme just jumped up and then hugged Nelo. It was very, very beautiful. It was a beautiful thing. It was so lovely. I was even crying. I was like, it was so emotional. It was just as if I'm there, as in I'm the person. Because it's not good. Those people, they have been together. I love watching their videos. Whenever I go to Nelo's house or Nelo comes, as in whenever they make videos together, I always watching their videos. I love them so much. So please, now that they have come together, you that is going to drop comments to call them behind and tell them this one Nelo said, or Nelo did not say, or Dana said, Dana did not say, please mind your business and leave these people. Leave these people to enjoy their peace, enjoy their friendship, please. Even though that does not even know each other, like Fantastic Favour and Nelo, I'm sure they've not met each other before, but they are in good terms. This one goes to watch the other person's video. The other person goes to watch the other one's video. That is how it's supposed to be. We're supposed to encourage and support each other. We are all one. We are all the same. So please, let's try and encourage everybody, encourage ourselves, encourage each other, encourage. If you are not a YouTuber, try and encourage those that are also YouTubers, because it's not easy. So guys, this is going to be the end of the video for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I know people will still go and leave a comment and say, what is this one saying? Yes, It might not make sense to you, but it will make sense to another person. So please, if you like the video, give the video a thumbs up and then leave a comment in the comment section below. And then I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye. Nelo Okeke, Dana Ekweme, we love you. We appreciate what you are doing. And then we love you. That's just what I have to say. We love you. I love you guys. I love the both of you. I love Nelo and love Dinah. You both are my paddies. You are my friends. I love watching your videos. All the videos you post, I don't miss anyone. I love them. I love their children. I love watching everything about them. So please, I want to say to Nelo and Dinah, let this peace that have come between you people, let this peace continue. Please and please, let this peace continue, and please do not let anybody come in between you both again, because you are adults. Whenever you have any misunderstanding, try and settle it between both of you instead of going your separate ways. Even if you want to go your separate ways, let it be a peaceful one. So we love you, and continue doing what you are doing, and bye to my